In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line with an angle in AutoCAD. Whether you're new to AutoCAD or looking to refine your skills, mastering this technique can enhance your precision and efficiency when designing. We'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring you have a clear understanding and are able to apply it confidently in your own projects. First, let's make this process more intuitive by enabling the dynamic input feature. This feature can be a real game changer as it provides a more interactive experience, displaying pertinent information right next to your cursor. To enable it, simply press the F12 key on your keyboard. If you're unsure whether it's already activated, don't worry. You can check its status by typing DN mode into the command line and hitting enter. If it asks for a value, type in 2 and press enter again. This ensures that dynamic input is fully enabled, giving you the ability to enter dimensions and angles directly where your line is being drawn. Now that we have that sorted, let's move on to drawing your line. Start by selecting the Line tool, which is usually found on your toolbar or accessed by simply typing Line into the command line. Position your cursor in the drawing area where you wish to start your line. From there, drag your cursor to create the line. By moving your mouse diagonally, you'll naturally see the angle input appear. This is made visible thanks to dynamic input. Remember, the reference for the angle is always based on the positive x-axis, regardless of whether you direct the angle upwards or downwards. This consistent reference point helps maintain accuracy in your designs. When you see the input for an angle, go ahead and press the Tab key on your keyboard. This action allows you to input the specific angle you want. Enter your chosen angle using the keyboard and then press Tab once more. This will lock in your desired angle, ensuring consistency. Once your angle is set, you'll notice that the angle is now locked. At this stage, you're free to enter the exact length of the line you need. This flexible approach lets you customize your line dimensions with ease and precision, providing both control and accuracy. There you have it. By following these instructions, you should now be able to draw a line at any angle quickly and easily in AutoCAD. With dynamic input enabled and your angle secured, you're well equipped to tackle more complex designs that require precise angles and measurements. This method not only streamlines your workflow, but also improves the overall quality of your drawings. Thanks for watching and happy designing.